Welcome back. In this short practical exercise, we will immediately apply the syntax of the for loop and the range function we just learned. The goal is to generate simple number sequences, demonstrating how easily the for loop handles a fixed number of iterations. 1. Simple range. When you provide only one argument to range, it is treated as the stop value. The loop starts by default at 0 and goes up to, but does not include, the stop value. We will print the numbers 0, 1, 2. 2. Custom start and end. Here, we specify both the starting point and the stopping point. We want to print numbers from 5 to 8, so our range function must stop at 9 to include 8. 3. Using the step parameter. We can use the third argument to define a step size. Let's print the odd numbers from 1 to 10 by setting the step to 2. 4. Counting backwards. The step can also be negative. To count down from 5 to 1, we set the start to 5, the stop to 0 to include 1, and the step to -1. To summarize, the for loop combined with the flexible range function is a readable way to iterate a fixed number of times in Python. Now that we can loop through numbers, let's use the for loop to process data collections. Our next lecture is 09.11, product of numbers in a list.